Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox stuck on loading screen. Alright, let's begin. First, you will need to take your phone and open the Roblox app. Once you are logged in, you're going to see different sections at the bottom. Simply, select More from the bottom right corner, and a new page will load up. Here, scroll down a little bit and select the Settings feature. Inside it, you're going to see different kind of options. Simply, access the Security tab from the top, scroll down to the bottom, and here you're going to have a section called Where you are logged in. In case you're locked into the PlayStation, you're going to see the PlayStation session over here. If you see that, simply tap on it and then select Log Out from the pop-up window. But if you can't find it, then the safest way is to tap on the Log Out of all other sessions. Once you tap on it, your Roblox account will get logged out of every device. Now, the final step is to go back to your PlayStation and try to log into your Roblox account. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox stuck on loading screen. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.